Welcome back in another video. Today I want to talk, it's just a really short one. It's about the power of accountability. Okay? A lot of people that I work with, obviously they have a coach. So it really helps them to stay on track because I keep them accountable. But if you don't have a coach, ask a friend, ask a family member to keep you accountable to something. And it's super powerful. It's underrated. If you have accountability, let's say you have a neighbor. I have some people that I work with. Their neighbor goes for a walk every morning at 7 a.m. They have their morning walk. It's a 5 kilometer walk. So the thing with motivation is that it comes and goes, as you know. Sometimes you're really motivated. You see a number on the scale that you're not happy with, and you're like, motivation's through the roof. But some other days, motivation is not there. Maybe you're tired. Maybe, there's other things that are happening in your life. We're not motivated every single day, okay? But if you have somebody who keeps you accountable to your goals, it makes it so much easier. For example, if you have someone like a neighbor, like I was saying, who keeps you accountable, so let's say you go for a morning walk at 7 a.m. and one day you don't feel like it, well, you have to show up because the neighbor is there, it's counting on you to be there. And same thing goes for the neighbor. When you're not, well, like when you're feeling motivated and you feel like, yeah, I feel like going for a walk, and the neighbor doesn't want to, the neighbor will still show up because she knows or he knows that you're keeping them accountable. So it's very powerful to have somebody on your team, right? Have somebody in your social circle that keeps you accountable to your goal, also believes in you. It's so freaking key. And again, if you don't have a coach, find a friend. I'm sure there's somebody else out there who's losing weight, right? Who wants to lose weight, rather. Most people are either obese or overweight. So I'm sure you can find someone in your social circle that also has the same mission as you. Okay? So either you do this with a friend or a family member, like I said, and it can be with working out. It can be like movement, like showing up to the gym, right? And having someone who keeps you accountable. Like, hey, where were you? You're supposed to be there. So you kind of develop that habit and keep it going. It's super important at the start to keep those habits and having someone to keep you accountable, because as soon as it becomes a habit, then it becomes effortless. But before that, it's very, very important to have someone who keeps you accountable. It makes it so much easier so you don't fall off track. Because a lot of people have really good intention. January 1st is the classic example. Good intention, you have New Year's resolution, but you don't follow through because you don't have accountability on your side. Okay? And again, if you don't have the power to hire a coach or you don't have the desire to hire one, easy. Just ask your friends around, right? And I'm sure somebody else is on par. And it can be with nutrition as well, right? Some of my clients, and I've hired some people that I work with, and they were friends before working with me. So they came as like friends. And one thing they have in common is that they both have an Apple Watch. Sorry, I hit the mic. But they both have an Apple Watch, and they kind of have like this healthy competition. Like, hey, how many steps did you do today? I'm at 12,000 steps. 12,000? Frick, I have to catch up, and they kind of have a competition. So it's a fun way to keep yourself accountable, right? And it can be with nutrition as well. It can be with weight loss. Like, hey, how many, like, are you like still losing weight? Are you still on track? All these things are really, really powerful. So hope this helps you. If you never thought about, hey, maybe I should have somebody accountable so I don't fall off track every single time I start a new diet. Well, yeah, for sure, having a better diet plan and having a better system definitely helps, but having someone on your team to keep you accountable to your goals is crucial. I'd say might be not crucial, but it's so helpful. So think about this, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.